Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make veg gravy at home, full guide. Start by sautéing onions and garlic until soft and golden, then sprinkle in flour and stir to form a light roux, gradually adding warm vegetable stock while whisking to avoid lumps. Simmer gently until thickened, taste and adjust salt and pepper, then finish with fresh herbs and a splash of lemon for brightness, serving hot over mashed potatoes or roasted vegetables. Mastering technique makes a huge difference in a simple veg gravy, so focus on heat control and steady whisking. Start with low to medium heat to soften aromatics without browning too fast, dissolve flour into fat to create a smooth base, then slowly stream in warm stock while whisking for a silky texture. Taste as you go and tweak seasoning with salt, pepper, and acid to brighten the final gravy for serving. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like to support more helpful cooking guides. Quick recommendation: the product you see here is the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading recipes anywhere and keeping your cookbooks tidy when your hands are messy, and it's a handy kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Explore flavor variations to match any meal. Sauté mushrooms and add soy for umami depth. Roast carrots and parsnips for a naturally sweet base, or blend in caramelized onions for a richer profile. Finish with a teaspoon of mustard or a splash of cream for silkiness, and always taste for balance. These small changes let you pair veg gravy with everything from mashed potatoes to grain bowls with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.